Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works when you put on your display tempered glass. And as you can see right here, I got tempered glass on my display, and let's see how the sensor perform. And as you know, the sensor here is built into the screen. We are going to make a few tries. And as you can see, it works nice. It recognizes my fingerprint all the time. So there's no problem with touch sensitivity when you apply on your screen protection. And basically that's all. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.